and welcome back to Toolbox Tutorials. In today's video, we are diving into the world of digital products, what they are, why they are awesome, and how you can create them using Canva. What are digital products? Digital products are items you can sell or share online, no shipping, no packaging, just pure value. Think of this like ebooks, planners, and journals, social media templates, printable wall art, checklists, guides, and workbooks. And the best part, you can create all of them using just Canva, even if you're not a designer. Example, let me show you real few examples of minimalist digital planner. So if you want some inspiration and ideas, you just can type in planner in Canva and it gives you templates and ideas how to create your first digital product. The next few steps are like social media template. So for example, you want to see how to create it, what's trendable, so you type in here social media template pack, and as you can see you have some templates, or you can just type in social media template. As you can see, you have a lot of templates to choose from. So the next one is printable stuff for t-shirts, for I don't know, wall design, wallpapers, printable stuff. You can go to Canva AI and just type in whatever you like, and it automatically creates the image. So let's say I want to create, and instantly AI generates me the image. As you can see, you have here the total score amount, and you can open an editor and you can edit the image. You can add a lot of text, you can edit it, even you can insert it in your digital planner, and later on you can sell it on Etsy, Amazon, and a lot of more shops online. So in the next few videos, I'll show you step by step how to create each of one of those products using Canva from start to finish. So if you're ever wanted to start your own digital shop or just share your knowledge beautifully, stay tuned. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. This is Toolbox Tutorials, simple tools, powerful results. See you next time.